Hey guys, so recently I read somewhere that you should really listen to your baby's hiccups on the Doppler because it sounds funny. So I almost said his name. So little boy has hiccups right now, and I just turned on the Doppler and it's so funny. Hold on. And those aren't underwear; those are my sleeping shorts. But listen to that. I'm sorry, little boy. I know it sucks. Alright, let's find his heart. Good lord, those hiccups are hefty. He's kicking me. There it is. Yeah. While I'm at it, might as well show you how he's positioned right now, because it's a lot different than it has been the last few days. Alright, so this is a super odd angle, but if I feel down here right above my pubic bone, I can feel a little head, which is great because he was not down here at all 2 days ago, or 3 days ago whenever I went to the doctor. And I can feel and feel and feel, and you know, his little chest is right here. That's where his hiccups are and his heartbeat was. And his little hiney is right here. Out, yep, right there. That's the bottom of his butt. And it goes all the way around like this. And then his legs go down. He's got little kneecaps right here. And his feet. His feet are right here. And he has been kicking me right here all day long. It's so funny. So he was kicking me a few minutes ago because I was doing some hands and knees exercises and, you know, like leg raises and just stuff. And he was moving around, and so I just sat on the floor and I kind of leaned back a little bit, and I was just, you know, poking around right here, and he, oh, yep, just like, oh, look at it. Oh God, I wish you could like see on the inside. His they're so tiny, but you can tell exactly what it is. I love it. Oh gosh, I love it. Yep, I got feet right there. Do it again. Do it again. Like, I wish I, oh. Can you can't, ooh, ouch. It's, ay! Let's see if we can get some good movement. It's just so funny because, like, I can feel them. I can feel them. They're right here. Okay, anyways. So, I just wanted to share that with you guys. And those hiccups were hilarious. But anyways, I'm actually gonna go to bed now. So, I'll see you guys soon.